Some more news now. According to reports, 45-year-old Jennifer Aniston tied the knot with 43-year-old Justin in a secret and intimate ceremony at her California home on Wednesday. Close to 70 guests, including former Friends co-star Lisa Kudrow and talk show host Ellen DeGeneres, attended the wedding. The couple, who had started dating while shooting for the film Wanderlust, had been engaged for 3 years. Aniston shot to fame as one of the most loved characters of the popular 90s sitcom Friends, in which she played the role of Rachel Green.